Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting straight into Chrome and its DevTools. Open the exact page you'll test, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus I or CMD plus Option plus I to reveal DevTools. That gives you live access to the DOM and console. Once done, make sure DevTools is docked so you can view changes in context and enable the Elements panel. Next, open the Accessibility pane. This first setup saves time and lets you inspect computed roles and properties as you perform tests. Now run a Lighthouse audit focused on accessibility to get a prioritized list of issues. Review failing items to guide your manual checks. Then, select a problematic element in Elements and open the Accessibility pane to read computed role, accessible name, and properties. This explains why screen readers behave a certain way. Make sure to test keyboard focus by tabbing Verify Area Attributes, and run the Contrast Inspector on foreground and background colors to catch visual accessibility problems. Finish by applying fixes in your code or using live edits, then rerun Lighthouse to confirm improvement in scores and that earlier failures are resolved. Once done, validate with a screen reader like Chrome Vox or NVDA and perform keyboard-only navigation to catch remaining issues in real-world use. If your tests show inconsistent behavior, check browser cache, disable extensions, and inspect dynamic area updates. Race conditions or delayed DOM updates often cause discrepancies, so addressing timing fixes usually resolves them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.